The Whispering Woods. Once upon a time, a vibrant forest stretched as far as the eye could see, kissed by the morning sun. It was a place of breathtaking beauty, with a symphony of rustling leaves and birdsong. On the edge of this forest, a quaint village nestled, with cozy cottages dotting the landscape. The villagers lived in harmony with the forest, respecting its many mysteries. The village elder, a wise woman known for her captivating stories, often spoke of the forest's guardian, a mystical spirit that kept the forest and its creatures safe. Deep in the heart of the forest lay a tranquil clearing. This clearing, surrounded by ancient trees, was said to be the dwelling place of the forest spirit. One night, a pack of wolves echoed their haunting howls to the moon, a sign of trouble stirring in the forest. Their eyes glowed with an otherworldly light, reflecting the moon's spectral glow. Word of the wolf's howl reached the village, sparking worry among the villagers. They gathered around a bonfire, their faces reflecting the flame's flicker, debating their next course of action. The elder, determined to protect her village, ventured into the forest towards the clearing. She carried with her an air of resolve, her heart set on seeking the forest spirit's guidance. In the heart of the clearing, the spirit materialized. It shimmered with a soothing light, casting ethereal shadows on the forest floor. The spirit, in its radiant form, summoned the forest creatures. They gathered around, their eyes reflecting the spirit's light, all ears for the wisdom it was about to impart. The elder conveyed the village's worries to the spirit. They engaged in deep conversation, their expressions serious as they discussed the forest's safety and the villagers' fear. With wisdom and guidance from the spirit, the wolves' unsettling glow faded to a calm serenity. They too had a role to play in preserving the harmony of the forest. The elder returned to the village, carrying with her the spirit's wisdom and a newfound sense of peace. She reassured the villagers, her eyes reflecting the forest's tranquil spirit. In time, the village thrived. Children played by the forest edge under the watchful eyes of the wolves, a symbol of the harmony between the village and the forest. As night fell, the forest bathed in moonlight, a soft glow emanating from the clearing. It was a gentle reminder of the spirit that watched over them, its presence felt even in its invisibility. The village elder, now older but just as captivating, shared the story of the spirit and the wolves with the next generation. Her tales painted a vivid picture of the forest's mystique and the bond they shared with it. As the sun set, casting long shadows and painting the sky in hues of red and orange, the forest and the village stood in harmony. It was a testament to the balance between man and nature, watched over by the Whispering Woods and its guardian spirit. As our tale draws to a close, we leave you with rustling leaves carrying stories of unity and harmony. Good night, dear forest, protector of the village. May your whispers continue to tell tales of peace and balance.